Hi, it's Gigi. Welcome back to the Secret Ingredient Series. Today, I'm going to be doing my special Vegetable Gigi's quiche. It is delicious and it has my famous pie crust on the bottom, and it's healthy for you, tons of vegetables in it. It stems from my mom's recipe when she was a kid, and I've just kind of made it my own and morphed it into other ingredients, and you can always add things or take things away in your special quiche. So we're going to do 5 eggs, and I'm going to just beat them in a large bowl, like so. And then I'm going to take just a half cup of flour, and I'm going to pour it in and mix it a little bit. And then I like to just do a dash of garlic salt. You could get any sort of garlic salt, just a little dash of that. And I love this Kingsford no salt all-purpose seasoning. It has so many flavors in it, so just a dash of that as well. I just give a little bit of that in there. And then of course salt and pepper to taste, but we're gonna do that at the end. I love to have my grinders of the salt and pepper. Okay, now we are ready for our next step. This recipe would go into a 8x12 casserole dish sprayed with like a Pam, and you don't have to put a crust on it. Or I've made my special Gigi's pie crust, and I've put it into 2 9-inch pie pans, and it's all ready to be poured into there. So we're gonna pour half in, and then pour the other half in the other pie shell. And this is ready to be baked. We're gonna bake this at 350 for 30 minutes. And then we're going to eat it and enjoy it.